Welcome to the Shenandoah Heritage Village, a 7-acre complex of museums, a tiny vineyard, and restored historical buildings. There is a lot to cover here, so we're flipping through the video quickly to share as much as we can. There are large collections of artifacts from the 18th and 19th century, small gardens and vineyards, and staged period buildings to look at. Admission to those things are included with the Luray Caverns general admission ticket. At an additional cost, there is a gem mining sluice, and the gemstone bags for that activity can be purchased at the museum gift shop. There is also a seasonal cafe on the property that sells lunch items and regional wine, beer, and cider. See the link below for the direct page to the museum, which includes their hours, which vary per season, and a write-up as to where each restored historical building originated from.